Keyframes are the backbone of animation in After Effects. They define the start and end points of any animated property. To start, select the layer you want to animate. This could be text, an image, or any graphic element. Move to the timeline panel, where most of the magic happens. Here, you'll manage the keyframes. Click the stopwatch icon next to your desired property. This enables keyframing for that parameter. Move the playhead to your next desired point in time and adjust the property value. A new keyframe will automatically be created. Repeat this process to build complex animations, seamlessly guiding your viewer's attention. Once your keyframes are in place, use the graph editor for more precise control over your animations. You can adjust the speed and flow of your animations, creating natural movement and impact. Preview your work frequently. This helps you visualize the timing and make necessary adjustments. Finally, render your project. Enjoy your beautifully animated creation ready for sharing. That's it. You successfully mastered keyframes in Adobe After Effects. Get creative! Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more useful tips.